Hello, YouTube family. That's right. So if you were watching the TikTok video, you know that my TikTok got shut off just like that. Normally it's just a live stream thing. It's normally just like some troll who's throwing a fit about how he feels like he's been bullied. This time was different. They said that I did illegal activities. I was reported for illegal activities. And I wasn't doing anything illegal. So I think the trolls are catching on that maybe TikTok is paying attention to the type of reporting that they're doing on sites, which can be a good thing, I guess. The reality is that it's just a absolutely ridiculous capability that they've put into the hands of some very underdeveloped psychologically adults. Or I don't even know if they're adults. We don't even know that. That's how protected they are. They're such a protected... Trolls are a protected class on TikTok. Love it. Love it. And what we were talking about was... We were talking about the Jace case, and we were talking about antibiotics and medications that you'll need, you know, if things go bad. And I was laying down a scenario where if you're a woman and you're having problems because your bodies are different than ours, that you have to take time off of work. That's lost time. You have to pay a copay for your doctor's visits. You have to pay a copay for the lab work they'll definitely want. You'll have to pay a copay for the medication that probably won't work immediately. And then you'll have to pay another copay when the lab work comes back and says, hey, you need this other drug. We need another copay. Roughly for a visit of that type, it's about $300, which is... I want to say it's a little less, it's a little bit more expensive, and definitely more of a pain in the ass than having your own Jace case. And that's what we were talking about. And if you're interested in that, there's a link down the bottom for my trusted products. Click that link, make sure you use your phone. It's just a smarter thing to do it that way. But that's what happened. Now, like I said, you know, I've got right now 235,000 followers on TikTok. If my account hasn't been completely destroyed, I have no idea because I can't log into it right now. But I find that we have more well-adjusted adults on YouTube, which is nice. So I want to commend you guys on that. Also, I want to say thank you to the 5 Patreons that came over today. They're going to make it easier. I'm going to roll this window up. It's getting a little loud. It'd make it even easier for me to produce more videos. It gives me no excuse not to make more videos for you guys. You saw the MERS videos coming up. You have to know that the mirror safety gas mask video is coming up. Those are all the kind of things that we're doing. And I just want to reach out and say thank you. And the Patreon's been acting weird, so I've only been able to send like these low-level messages to the new people. But I want to let you know, I haven't forgot about you. As soon as Patreon lets me do it, I'm going to send you all the Discord stuff to the members group and all of this, the links to the library, the digital library that I provide as a member of the Patreon. And if you're interested in the Patreon, there's a link down below. Support the channel. That's on you. Whatever you do with the links, that is your business. Okay, so I'm heading back. I just picked up, I had to go get some cash so I can pay the guy who's coming out to work on my tractor, or my friend's tractor. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I hope you all have a great Saturday and stay safe and have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.